Hi, we'll be solving probability problem today. One fair die has faces 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That means there are 6 faces. Another has faces 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. Again 6 faces. The dice are rolled and the numbers on the top faces are added. So both the dice are rolled and the numbers on the top faces are added. What is the probability that the sum will be odd? Now we are throwing two dice, so we'll get two numbers and we have to find what is the probability that the sum will be odd. Now we know that when we're adding two numbers, in order to get an odd number, one of them has to be an even number and other one has to be an odd number, right? So that means this probability is same as probability of getting an even number in the first die multiplied by probability of getting an odd number in the second die plus probability of getting an even number in the second die and probability of getting an odd number in the first die. Now let's look at the numbers, right? So if you look at this first die, it has 2 even number and it has 4 odd number. If you look at the second die, it has 4 even number and 2 odd number. So probability of getting an even number in the first die is equal to number of even numbers, which is 2 divided by total number of numbers, which is 6. Probability of getting an odd number in the second die is also equal to 2 divided by 6 because we have two odd numbers. Plus probability of getting an even number in the second die, since we have 4 even numbers, so will be equal to 4 divided by 6 multiplied by probability of getting an odd number in the first die, right? So there are 4 odd numbers, so again equal to 4 by 6. So this is equal to 4 divided by 36 plus 16 divided by 36. That becomes 20 divided by 36. You can cancel by 4. So this becomes 5 by 9. So answer will be option number D. Now, if you want to master the concepts of probability and want to learn how to solve similar problems, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.